Welcome back. In the blink of an eye, artificial intelligence has woven itself into the fabric of our daily lives. It's the unseen conductor orchestrating the grand symphony of technology we engage with each day. But what does the future hold for this digital maestro? Starting with humble beginnings in the mid-20th century, AI has evolved, becoming an integral part of various sectors, from healthcare to sports analytics. The future, it's promising and unprecedented. With advancements in machine learning and data analysis, we're looking at a future where AI could potentially outperform humans in most economically valuable work. But like all powerful tools, it's a double-edged sword. The benefits are numerous: streamlined operations, personalized experiences, and innovative solutions. Yet, on the flip side, AI presents a Pandora's box of ethical dilemmas, job displacement concerns, and privacy issues. So, as we stand on the precipice of this brave new world, we must remember, AI in all its complexity is a tool designed by us, for us. It's our responsibility to ensure it's used wisely, ethically, and for the greater good. The future of AI isn't set in stone, it's being written by us every day. The question is, what story will we choose to write? As we wrap up our journey through AI, remember to engage with our content. Stay informed on our future AI explorations by hitting the subscribe button. If you found this video insightful, give it a like. Your support helps us continue to share knowledge about AI. Thank you for joining us on another AI adventure. Stay tuned for more journeys with Artificially AI. Keep exploring, learning, and sharing the wonders of AI.